Hi everyone, welcome back to another PL automation tutorial. This video we're going to run through the re-enabled terminated user automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. We can see that then we go through our automation list and we select the re-enabled terminate account automation. We hit that prompt. PL will then go through the environment and find all disabled users. We select the user that we want to actually, revive. The beauty about terminating users with PIA is that we store that package data so that we see here that PIA has actually found the termination information. We can now select our environments, but back to what I was saying before. We can then restore the groups, and if there was any licenses assigned, we can then restore all those details. We then select the new org unit for that user to be placed from into, and then we go through and we can see here's our password prompt to set up a new password. We press change the next logon, we'll hit go. This password or automated created password can be adjusted, but also you can input the password complexity policy in the client's configuration just to ensure that we hit the maximum length. We're using special characters, we're using capitals, we're using lowercase, all that sort of thing. So this is the portion of the video where Pia will go through, start our Azure DoSync, wait for that user to be propagated in 365 or Azure, and then if we are assigning a license, in this case, which we are also going to wait for that mailbox to propagate after assigning the license. So this might be the perfect time to go and execute a secondary automation on another ticket, as this may take a minute or so. But for the sake of the video, I'll go quiet and I'll see you once this is complete. Okay, we are back and we can see that the account has now actually been re-enabled. We have now assigned our license. We have also assigned all the groups. We have converted the mailbox from shared to user mailbox. And there you go. Just like that, you have now completed a re-enabled of the terminated user. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. And apart from that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.